Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to install the Ubuntu Budgie 22.04.2 desktop. So let us start. I have already downloaded the image. So we can start with the installation. So here also there are four options: try or install Budgie, Ubuntu Budgie Safe Graphics, OEM install, boot from the next volume, and the UEFI firmware settings. So we will go with the live desktop method. So this is the Budgie desktop coming up on your screen. So I think the scaling is still not proper. Maybe we will wait for the scaling to be done properly, or then else we can manually scale up the resolution. Let us see how the system behaves. Okay, so first we'll have to select this try Ubuntu Budgie option. So that will finally upload the desktop. So there is intermediate state. So the desktop is not directly started as in other live desktop. First it gives us option. So we have to choose the option, and now the full desktop has been booted, and we are given a welcome by the Budgie welcome app. So let us first go over to the control center. There is the display. Yes, the display is there, and let us increase. Okay, so the resolution is successfully uh, changed via manual mode. So automatic scaling is not done properly. Now we can start the installation. So the installer is there here. You have to click on this link. It will open up the installer, and you can see it here. After the scaling, the bottom dock, it is not in the proper place. It is shown somewhere here below the welcome app. So the scaling is not properly done, and the dock appears somewhere on the left bottom of the screen. So we will now have to neglect it. We will start the installer from the Budgie welcome screen, or you can directly click on this link to open up the installer. So I will click on here. Let us see what happens. That's it. So this is the standard Ubuntu installer. So we had seen in the earlier video, the installer in the Ubuntu Kylin, both basic and pro version was different. And here they have not used the installer that is shown in the Kylin desktops, but it is the standard Ubuntu GNOME desktop installer. Then I will select the Indian keyboard format. Normal installation along with download updates while installing Ubuntu Budgie and the third-party software for graphics, Wi-Fi hardware, and additional media formats. Erase a disk and install Ubuntu Budgie, or you can do a manual installation. So now let us start with the free space and then do the partitions by ourselves. We go with the EFI partition system. Free space again. Uh, Go with the swap area. We will go with the ext4 journaling system and the root partition flag. So the mount point, that is root. So we are done with the partitioning. We'll just check once. Okay, so this will work. And now you can see it, the free space automatically 1 MB has been added at the both ends. So it is automatic, but in some installers you have to do it manually, and some installers offer to have a free space between each of the partition. In Ubuntu, the free space is offered at the both ends of the hard disk, that is the starting and the end location. So now we can click on the install button, and you can see here the bootloader installation will be automatically done on the hard disk itself. So this is what will be done, what operations will be done on the hard disk. So three partitions will be created: ESP, swap, and ext4. Now we have to hit continue button. The local is properly selected. It is India, Calcutta. Now you can create your username. And the installation will now proceed. We'll wait for the installation to complete, and then I will stop the video. And in the next video, we will check out the Ubuntu Budgie desktop. I tell you, it is the most beautiful desktop in Ubuntu. The most good looking desktop, good working desktop in Ubuntu is this Budgie desktop. You will fall in love with the desktop. All the icons, wallpapers, everything is gorgeous. You can already see here what a cool looking wallpaper they have got. The icons are also very nice. Okay, so the installation is complete. I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye.